Hi guys, today I'm here to talk to you about the 12-minute affiliate program and if it works and if you should spend your money on it, if you will get some money out of it. So if you want to discover everything about this, just stay on the video. So what will you see in this review? I will introduce you to this truly amazing program, which is the fastest and the easiest one I know that helped me make money with affiliate marketing. It only takes you 3 steps, which I will show you later. So before we keep going, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel, click the link below to learn all about the affiliate marketing. Also give me your thumbs up and stay with me until the end of the video that I will show you the 3-step process that will allow you to make money within only 12 minutes. So I'm here today to talk to you about the 12-minute affiliate program. This is such a revolutionary program that it works for newbies, experts, and everyone in between them. I lost a lot of time trying to make money online, but I had nothing to help me out until I met this program, so I highly recommend it. But first, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about me. I am Ella and I'm very shy, so you won't be seeing my face in this video. But the real important thing here is the message that I'm going to give you. I got fired from my old job, and since then I started to look for ways to make money online, but nothing I tried brought me actual income. So then I met the 12-minute affiliate program. It is changing everything. So what is it, this program, right? I know you're curious and I'm going to tell you. This is a legit system, perfect for newbies and experts to affiliate marketing or email marketing. This is very simplified because all the hard work is already done for you. And the main purpose of this program is being the fastest and the easiest way to generate affiliate commissions online, even if you're a newbie. And I think it does what it promises. I really was able to get some money out of it. So as I told you before, it's a 3-step process. First thing you need to do is to set up your opt-in page or your bridge page. This is your info page, which will lead to the sales page. But this is all done for you, so it's going to take just a few clicks. And then you're going to set up your autoresponder, your email account, which is also very easy to do. And last, all you gotta do is just send traffic to your page and then you're done. It's just simple as that. Okay? And the best part is that you can get the system for less than $10. Yes, you heard it right. You can see it for yourself in this image that I took from the website, the official website, which is the only website you can get. It is very worth it. And I know that by now you are already wanting to buy it, so we let the link in the description. You just have to click and buy it. It's just easy as the program. Okay, so thank you for watching and bye bye.